Omoncho murigereria wegete sendi ya Kisi hot na kwarika ni nanda senchera ya bene katuji kusanga asa mungana agenderete me county ya Kisi anene mono asa mungana agenderete kurase county ya Kisi wetanya asa impeachment yo mukonyi mu governor yigenderete tindi kwenda that side teto kokwanira about the controller of budget a few weeks ago into aroche the controller of budget around 2 weeks na atinenetie e budget ya Kisi county yose ari gotebekana nga yabwata magoso ayare ngororo wetera the MCAs be county ya Kisi abari barigeto roboti gochia as controller of budget omusubati Margaret Nyakango ekarate ne niwo barakora oburingore na kuriringa ne nkikigendrete kurwa as budget yo. Remember the MCAs habakora oversight as some governor we a county and yonse. So wetera some governor we county ya Kisi wasa korega sia the MCAs bari barigete roboti rwabo gochia as controller of budget. Today, the controller of budget musubati Margaret Nyakango niga sokyo roboti roko batebyanga the budget yote bwati any problem na beko gendere gosavu abantu ba Kisi county. Arangi twara igure so many occasions as the various MCS bagokwanira about the budget mbaro bawo te budget yero siribube abantu bate budget yero siribuya egento kyagerete even mbaka the pasari nyatenenete. You remember before schools were opened abayibori mwe cyo pasari abanafunzi bagicyo pasari ekibasemere cyari ukikubakonya ase etamwiga. But you remember it was almost 3 weeks less than 1 month chiskuru chinyara kuba chigosekwa ase tamwiga entangani yo mwaka o 2024. From my side, I want to look at this budget, control of budget before ntarago somera ri rube go seri uko ryo ryali getwe na control of budget. Any kind of war a county ya Kisi, it is neseye watu kaine na mangana akisiasa. And I want to urge our leaders bari bakora e county ya Kisi kutakira mu governor ba MCA mu MP mu senator mu women rep. If there is a way we can keep off from politics, tunataka kama tuko work as a team to develop our county despite on the one side chorira sekiroge ekyo either komwanje to stomwancheti. What is here, these people ama what is in the county now, in the county of Kisi, yani umuntu agotaka go disappoint asiga siyago. So somebody wants to disappoint you asoko korega siyago. For example, if this the MCAs konyemba ari kurikari konyemba rige totevenga konyemba ari kurikari rube wochia as control of budget atenene budget ya Kisi county right now maybe kango aba kiwa wosabana kango ba onyorete chipasari according to the governor niga ko etetiago tebenga tindaina na pasari asengencho some individuals, some MCAs ibari geto rube gochia as control of budget and the controller of budget agatinenia a budget ya Kisi county. And that is why intarena the pasari wochia ase abantu ba Kisi county. I want to read the letter from the controller of budget, which is office of the controller budget. And now reference number it is COB/KSI/002/2/1 in brackets 16. Inasema hivi mete egota bota kretaba MC bari geteri rube because quite a number of MCAs bari gete amarube gocha control of budget asogoteba nga e budget ya Kisi county ne wata magoso. The same MCAs those ones who bari geteri rube go chase control of budget, that the same MCAs bari batari kuigwana ni govern. That's why I said we as leaders, we need to keep off from politics na mangana siasa. We work together for these 5 years. Academic tano yari, that's we thought we raise these questions. Again, those MCAs mbiyabari because of what? Mbiyabari because that is their work. They are doing oversight. Now, I start with Honorable Amos Emokaya, is the MCA for Nyatieko Ward, Kisi County Assembly. Honorable Jared Masieka, MCA Kigogi Ward, Kisi County Assembly. Honorable Joseph Oyari, MCA Getenga Ward, Kisi County Assembly. Honorable Amos Onderi, MCA Await Wokimonge Ward, Kisi County Assembly. Honorable Asmairura, MCA Masimba Ward, Kisi County. Honorable Ibrahim Ongubo, MCA Bubaracho Ward. Honorable Wilfred Monyenye, MCA Kisi Central Ward. Honorable Vincent Abuga, MCA Bukiseru Ward, Kisi County. Honorable Thomas Obare, Boba Sibuitangare Ward, MCA. Honorable Ismail Bosire from Bugiakum Ward. Honorable Lilian Gore, nominated MCA Kisi County Assembly. Honorable Edna Kwamboka, nominated MCA Kisi County Assembly. Honorable Isabella Oigara, nominated MCA Kisi County Assembly. Honorable Dolphin Wari, nominated MCA Kisi County Assembly. Those are the MCAs who petitioned the budget ya Kisi County. Asotebekana njabwate some mistakes. And I want to read the letter from the controller of budget, that is Miss Margaret she's Margaret Nyakango, the controller of budget. Now, illegal alteration of Kisi County supplementary budgeted estimates 2023-2024 by Kisi County Executive. Reference number is made to the above matter, and your letter reference number nilisoma irenge KSI/CG/PEP/102 dated 5th March 2024. The Office of the Controller of Budget, that is OCOB, is an independent office established under Article 238 of the Constitution with the mandate of overseeing the implementation of the budgets of the national and county governments by the authorizing withdrawals from public funds. The performance of that mandate is guided by the principles of public finance enriched under Article 201 of the Constitution and the Public Finance Management Act 2012, which includes promoting prudent and responsible use of public funds. That's the letter. At all given times, the controller of budget allegiance is to the Constitution and the rule of law. Upon receipt of your complaint and in the line with the fair administrative procedures and our complaint handling procedures, a copy of the same was forwarded to the CCM Finance, who was required to respond to the same. Please find attached the response by the CCM Finance to your complaint. That's a letter from the Margaret Nyakango. Further, Be reminded of your call as people's representative charged with the mandate to oversee and check the executive arm of the county to ensure prudent use of public finance. Henceforth, I urge you to exercise your mandate diligently and in accordance with the prevailing legal framework. Therefore, please provide any further evidence to substantiate your claims to justify further action on this matter. That is from FCPA, Dr. Margaret Nyakango, CPS Controller of Budget. That's a letter from her. Now, ekira gotegerera riruberiga naboko iwanga the way the control of the budget she's addressing the MCAs mbana neti evidence sende kwalokenga the supplementary budget 2023-2024 yabeire tampered with, and that's why I'm saying all leaders, we work together. And the work of the MCAs is to oversee the government. We support you, and the MCAs, those MCAs as a control of budget. That's their work. They do the work, they oversee the governor. Their work is to oversight the governor. Very good. We're happy. But again, if you want to do another complaint to the control of budget, provide enough evidence, because the people of Kisii County trusted you. That's